cloud! Let's fucking go!
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Palmyra to near Beloit, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Mukwonago, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, North Prairie, Palmyra, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Pale Lake, Potter Lake, and Powers Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.